Look, it's Elsa. She sleeps well. Look, it's Anna. Anna and Elsa are sisters. Anna wants to play. She loves her sister. Anna wants to make a snowman. Look at Elsa. She has a ball of ice. Elsa and Anna are happy. Look, it's a snowman. The sisters share the snowman. Anna is in the bedroom. Anna is sad. Elsa can't play today. Look, snow. Anna wants to make a snowman. Anna likes her dolls. Look at Anna and Elsa now. Elsa loves her sister. Look, it's the snowman. It's Olaf. Elsa and Anna share and have fun.